Hey guys, welcome back to Cruiser Man's Inventions. So what we have here today is part one on the rebuild of the washing machine bike. Now this is a 36 pole smart drive washing machine motor being rewired to the 48-volt wiring diagram that I done, and so that's 12 poles and then tied off at the end, and then another 12 and then another 12, so that's 36. So it's basically like three motors in one. So this has been a long build. I'll just take you through what I've done to this back wheel. This was a 37 tooth back sprocket, and if you watched this bike in action, it had some glitching problems, some taking off problems. So as you can see, guys, I went and got a bigger sprocket. So this one here is about 10 teeth more, so it's about 47. And so I had to put in about 4 more links or 5 more links into this chain, DID gold chain. And that sprocket, I took it into the motorbike shop to get it done and sent it up to the best that they could do it. Now that's way better than I could do it, and big credit to them. So that was about 170 to get that done, and that was one of the big problems with this whole bike. So I'm just glad that that's done. And so down here, guys, we got the 3000 watt controller. Let's have a look. So this is the 3000 watt controller at 72 volts. You can up this controller way up to as low as 48 and as high as 100. And I'm going to test this motor out with this controller in time. So I've only just put this back wheel on. This whole bike was just stripped out just before, so just got the back wheel on, just got the chain on, just got all of that tensioned up really well, and I had to change out the front wheel. Now we're running a GT tread. It's actually got it in the tread pattern GT all the way along, GT. So these are airbag tires, more for BMX ramp wheels. And so yeah, lovely style of frame. These forks have been modified. The brackets have been brought down a bit further. These were mountain bike front forks. So this bracket was way up here somewhere, and I put it down there. So yeah, very expensive front wheel, extra fat axle. You can use a wheel brace to take it off and on, and yeah, so seal bearings, and it's Haro. So I have got suspension here, and then I did extend the forks from here up and made my own design to tie into the handlebars. And that's one of my set of handlebars. It's not my best set, but it'll do for this bike for now. And so yeah, guys, our mission is just basically to get this up and running again and see if I have any more glitching problems with this. So this is the 36 pole magnet stator. This here is an original. See, some of these are aluminium and some of them are copper, and there's a lot of turns per pole. I think it's over 100 turns per pole. I'm only running 8 turns per pole, but I've doubled up on my wire 6 times over. And here, and yeah, so that's 20 foot beer per strand. If you look back over my other videos, guys, you'll see I done a whole video on it, on rewiring it and stuff. But I will rewire another one with this is 1mm wire with 2mm aluminium wire, and I'll do my wiring diagram just to see if it works. I believe it will, and it could be even a cheaper way of seeing as though it's so plentiful to get these motors up and running, real efficient, just off aluminium. So yeah, very cool. What else can I show you? So this here was for pedals that I was going to put up here, but I haven't got there yet until this thing is going really good, and then I decide whether I'm going to put pedals on here or not. So, still in testing phases. Now, if this doesn't run properly, guys, I have another motor. I'm going to put another one on the other side. So that'll be two. One here and one on the other side. And I also have a new shaft with a spline. And I have to change all the bearing system over here. It's just got a pillow block bearing here at the moment. But what I'll have to do is actually get into this bearing case here, because it runs one bearing here and one in here. Just chop it in half, make up new mounts, and shift that system way over here, and then so I can have my bolting positions and stuff in here. I'll have to make all that. I'll have to drill out these pieces and weld bolts in there, so the bolts stick out like stubs. So yeah, I can bolt one of these straight on and have the bearing right there as well. So yeah, pretty cool stuff, guys. I shall keep you updated on this. It is coming up soon, guys, so very close. So it's running now, like rolling chassis, motors in, just got to get the controller in, and batteries, and should be up and running, guys. We'll be back with a test run very soon, so awesome. Cool, guys. Cruiser Man out.